1871. In the same year, the town became independent. However, it was annexed back to Mandawi sometimes in 1902. Hey guys, we're here at Consolacion, Cebu. What we see right now is the Municipal Hall of Consolacion. Municipality of Consolacion is considered a first-class municipality in Cebu Province. On the other side is the San Narciso Parish. The mother parish of San Narciso Church was Mandawi Church. Consolacion used to be a village of Mandawi called Campiing, managed by Agustinian Recollects. It became a parish on February 21, 1871. In the same year, the town became independent. However, it was annexed back to Mandawi sometimes in 1902. The land the church stands on was donated by an official of Mandawi by the name of Felipe Hatamosa. He would eventually become the first mayor when Consolacion regained its autonomy on February 14, 1920, during the Commonwealth period. Silipin natin yung architectural design sa loob ng church. Much of the church is contemporary owing from renovations done over the years and incorporating neoclassical characteristics. Before ta naabot din sa Consolacion, nag-ulan na. So, we have a gloomy background here. Our next stop will be Consolacion Public Market. So, maglalakad lang po tayo para mas mabilis tayong makarating. 10 to 20 minutes lang naman ang lakaran dito. Kasi naman napaka-traffic ng lugar na to. Kung may biyahe kayo papuntang north, mag-expect na lang po kayo ng heavy to moderate traffic dito sa Consolacion, especially sa rush hour. Nag-una jud ang heavy ba? Much better if you expect the worst and you'll never be disappointed. Look at the other side of the road. It's so traffic. And of course, hindi mawawala ang Jollibee dito. Municipality of Consolacion has a land area of 147.20 square kilometers, which constitutes 2.98% of Cebu total area. We will cross the pedestrian lane. There are 21 barangays here in Consolacion. Merong Sarok Festival dito, celebrated every month of February during the founding anniversary. Sarok Festival has evolved into a grand showcase of Consolacion Town's unique culture and traditions. Sarok is made from bamboo strips and dried banana leaves, and it symbolizes resilience, hard work, craftsmanship, and resourcefulness of the people of Consolacion. Nagpila imong quick dong.
Singko na ma'am?
Duha.
Duha?
Oh.
Pat. Duha na?
Duha lang. Ay imong tipura pila.
Kariyara?
Sige, duha sad.
Kaso lang.
Oh.
Kami sa banga eh?
Oh, dali sa ka. Ay. Bakong bayad. Dili. Merong city mall dito across Consolacion Public Market. At pagkapasok natin sa entrance, dito sa left side, may mga fruit vendors. Pero dito tayo sa eskinita kasi may hot cake dito, ang ating paborito. Pila.
Welcome to my
Pila,
vlog.
Day?
Ko, ma'am.
Oo.
Dapat lagyan mo kay vlog kayo. Mga kanila.
Doha. Pila.
Like 5. Mata sa Consolacion.
Labas tayo dito at puntahan naman natin ang wet market. Pasok tayo dito sa wet market. Nandito yung fish, pork, and chicken.
Ilang kilo rin ay? Ang tunay na? Ano ba yung nagwa ko din? Hindi na meron. Ilang kilo ni Day?
350 ma'am.
Ha?
350. Ano lang?
At meron ding vegetable vendors dito sa dulo.
Timothy, 20 lang yun mo.
Timothy! Tingnan Timothy!
20 lang. Huwag pa lang kayo. Ano lang?
Jo! Tingnan Timothy!
Tema. Ini lang. Wala masutan na. Huwag pa kayo. Tumalin.
Kagwapa na, oh!
Ya, ang sa inyo ya. Lamas ya. Ma'am, lamas ma. Lamas ya, sa mo ya. Inilan ya.
Tuloy, kulina mati. Dinokos di ay.
Bagus na.
Ang bagay. Sangan milim kuban.
Oh, donar pa, nakuha.
Mag-quick tour tayo dito sa City Mall. Let's see what's inside. May fast food dito sa gilid. May Mang Inasal, Jollibee at Chowking. Meron ding Save More dito. Back to the road. Hindi lang City Mall ang shopping mall dito. May Enjoy department store din. At meron ding SM City Consolacion. At sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating video for today at huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-click ang bell button para ma-update kayo sa mga bago kong upload. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and share this video to your family and friends. Hanggang sa muli!